Let's talk about the Everest Hair Essentials Duo. This is the shampoo and conditioner. One thing I really like about these is that the shampoo is in yellow and the conditioner is in red. So when you're in the shower and you don't have your glasses on, it's easy to see. Another good thing about these is that they're plant-based, so the ingredients are a very small amount of ingredients. It's a paste, and so it's easy to pull out of the tin and to use in your shower. These work really well for traveling. And I also wanted to show you this kind of tube. They do offer this kind of tube. This is actually the body wash, but I just prefer the tins because I do believe they're easier to get in the shower, and it's easier to get the product out. I don't use these every single time I shampoo my hair during the week, but these are the hydrating and smoothing version, and I do believe that they work very well. And again, they have a few ingredients, and that's what I really like about them. Would highly recommend Everest.